Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we will do two poems of your Unit 6 from your English Marigold NCERT book. Poem number 1, The Donkey, and poem number 2, I Had a Little Pony. And we will do all the textbook exercises in this video. So children, do all the exercises in your book and notebook. So let's start. So children, first of all we will do reading, and then I will explain you this both the poems, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony, both the poem in Hindi. So first of all we will read and enjoy the poem. So Unit 6, the poem The Donkey. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. तो बच्चों, ये पोयम है द डोंकी. ये जो छोटा बच्चा है ये कह रहा है कि अगर मेरे पास डोंकी होता और वो मेरा कहना नहीं मानता, मेरे कहने से कहीं नहीं जाता, तो क्या मैं उसको मारता? वुड आई वेलॉप हिम? वेलॉप मीन्स मारना. तो क्या मैं उसको मारता? कहता है नो नो नो, मैं उसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं मारता. और मारने की बजाय मैं क्या करता? आई वुड फाइंड अ लिटिल हे. मैं उसके लिए थोड़ा सा हे लाता. हे मीन्स सूखी घास. एंड गिव हिम सम कॉर्न, और मैं उसको थोड़े से कॉर्न देता. कॉर्न मीन्स मक्के, ये जो इसने हाथ में पकड़े हैं. ठीक है. एंड गिव हिम सम कॉर्न. देन ही वुड बी द बेस्ट डोंकी दैट एवर वॉज बॉर्न. तो वो इस दुनिया का सबसे बेस्ट डोंकी होता, अभी तक जितने भी डोंकी पैदा हुए हैं उनमें से. सो दिस इज योर पोएम द डोंकी. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. Now come to the next poem. And the next poem is I had a little pony. ये एक छोटी सी बच्ची है जिसके पास है pony. What is the meaning of pony? Pony means baby horse. Okay. I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Grey. I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. अब ये बच्ची, छोटी सी बच्ची क्या कह रही है? देखो ये अपनी पोनी को कितना प्यार कर रही है, कितना अच्छा मानती है ना अपने पोनी को, छोटे से बेबी हॉर्स को. तो ये क्या कह रही है? आई हैड अ लिटिल पोनी, मेरे पास एक छोटा सा पोनी है. हिज नेम वॉज डैपल ग्रे, मतलब मेरे पास एक पोनी था छोटा सा, उसका नाम था डैपल ग्रे. आई लेंट हिम टू अ लेडी टू राइड अ माइल अवे. मैंने एक दिन उस एक लेडी को, एक लेडी मीन्स औरत को, वो रेंट पे दे दिया, मतलब उधार पे दे दिया कि ठीक है तुम थोड़ा सा 1 माइल चला के उसको लेकर आ जाओ. लेकिन उस लेडी ने क्या करा? शी विप्ड हिम, शी लैश्ड हिम. उसने उसको बहुत मारा, बहुत मारा. विप्ड का मतलब भी होता है मारना, और लैश्ड का मतलब भी होता है मारना. जो एक जानवरों को मारने के लिए पतली सी डंडी रखते हैं, उससे मारने को कहते हैं विप्ड एंड लैश्ड. शी ड्रोव हिम थ्रू द मायर, और वो उसको बहुत दूर तक लेके चली गई. आई वुडंट लैंड माई पोनी नाउ फॉर ऑल द लेडीज हायर. अब मैं अपनी जो पोनी है, आइंदा मैं अपना पोनी कभी भी किसी भी लेडी को उधार पर नहीं दूंगी. ऐसा ये बच्चा बोल रहा है. ये बच्ची जो है छोटी सी बोल रही है. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लेट्स अगेन वी विल रीड द पोएम. आई हैड अ लिटिल पोनी. I had a little pony, his name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. So ये एक छोटी छोटी सी 2 poems हैं. And children, write down these 2 poems in your notebook. Now let's do some exercises given at the back. So your textbook exercises. Reading is fun. Another word for wallop is dash. Would the child hit the donkey? So what is the another word for wallop? Would I wallop him? She whipped and she lashed him. So another word for wallop is lashed, or you can say whipped. Both are the same word for wallop. Would the child hit the donkey? No, the child wouldn't hit the donkey. What would the child give the donkey? I would find a little hay and give him some corn. So what would find? So what would the child give the donkey? The child gave the donkey little hay and some corn. What is a pony? A baby dog, a baby horse, or a baby cat? So answer is a baby horse. A baby horse. Pony means a baby horse. Number 4. What did the lady do to the pony? She took care of the pony. She whipped and lashed him. She sold the pony. So answer is B. She whipped and lashed him. What did the child decide to do? To lend the pony again to the lady? To never lend the pony to the lady again? To give the pony to the lady? So the child decided number B, to never lend the pony to the lady again. Okay. Now come to this. Say loud. Donkey, monkey, it's not a turkey, hire, fire, mire, hare, fair, mare, mile, smile, pile, male, snail, pail. Now word building. Stable. So what is the meaning of stable? Stable is the place where horses live. So where can we find a stable? Stable we can find a stable in a village, or you can say in a farm house. Okay. So name all the animals that live in a stable. Horses, mares, pony, donkey. These are some animals live in a stable. Make 2 words from stable by removing letters from the beginning. Removing letter from the beginning means if you remove first word S, so this is table. So first word is table. T-A-B-L-E, table. And if you remove the T, next word is able. Clear? Like this you have to write down. Make 2 words from stable by removing letters from the beginning. Beginning means शुरू के, शुरू से words अब letter आप मिटाते remove करते जाएंगे, हटाते जाएंगे, तो जो word आपका बनता वो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Let's write a paragraph about your pet or an animal you love. So do this exercise yourself. Write down at least 5 sentences about your pet dog or your pet animal. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the words that rhyme with corn, born, no, go, mire, hire. So children, do these exercises in your notebook as well as in your book. These exercises also you have to do it in your book as well as in your notebook. Okay children. Now come to the next exercise. The Cruel Boy. Now first of all we will read this poem, and then we will do some true and false. The Cruel Boy. The monkey is in a cage. A boy looks at the monkey. He gives it a sweet. The monkey opens the paper. There is a stone inside. The poor monkey is sad. Cruel boy. तो ये जो एक केज में एक मंकी है, ठीक है ना, एक लड़का उस मंकी की ओर देखता है और उसको एक कुछ टॉफ़ी देता है, स्वीट देता है. और जब मंकी उसको पेपर को ओपन करता है तो देखता है कि उसके अंदर टॉफ़ी नहीं, जबकि स्टोन है, उसमें एक पत्थर है. पुअर मंकी को बड़ा ख़राब लगता है और वो बेचारा उदास हो जाता है. और फिर वो बच्चे के लिए क्या बोलता है? क्रूअल बॉय. कितना क्रूअल है, देखो मुझे उसने स्वीट बोल के पेपर में लपेट के उसमें पत्थर दे दिया. चलो, आर दी सेंटेंसेज राइट और रॉन्ग? द मंकी इज इन द फॉरेस्ट. नो, द मंकी इज इन अ केज. द बॉय गिव्स द मंकी अ स्टोन. Yes, the boy gives monkey a stone. The monkey thinks it is a sweet. Yes. The monkey likes sweets. Yes. The monkey is sad. Yes. So this exercise also do it in your book as well as in your notebook. So thank you children. Be safe at your home. Till then, goodbye.